Subtract 24,053 minus 13,619. So everything is lined up exactly the way we want it to, and we start from the very right. Now remember, if you can't do 3 minus 9, which you can't, what you do is you borrow from the number on the left, drop this number down a digit, and then make u 13. So I have 13 minus 9, which is 4. 4 minus 1 is 3. 0 minus 6, I can't do it, so let's borrow from 4, make it a 3, so we can make you a 10. 10 minus 6 is 4. 3 minus 3 is 0. 2 minus 1 is 1. So our answer, after we put our comma there, 10,434.